This is the full automatic wheel blasting machine. The machine is the WM750. This machine comes equipped with a touchscreen interface together with a electronically lifting system to easy load and unload wheels. The machine is easily controlled with 3 buttons that basically selects what type of powder you're utilizing, either the fine, medium or coarse, depending on what job you need to do with the wheel. The machine is easily accessed in the front just by pulling it upwards, like so. The machine comes with some advanced features such as material notification, but also what type of material you have loaded into the machine. The machine also comes with the lifter itself that takes the wheel up and down. Also, the unit itself has a cleaning hole at the back of the machine where you basically can run a cleaning cycle to change the media depending on what you want. The machine also is both suitable for left and right hand use due to the positioning of the gun itself. The machine consists of 1 meter times 1 meter in size, runs on single phase 220 volt of power. It consumes extremely little air compared to other units. The machine itself is built in with a filtration system that basically allows you to reuse the material over and over again. So that means that you have an average consumption of powders of around 9 to 10 grams per wheel. Secondly, it comes with a trash basket itself. So when the powders can't be utilized anymore, the machine automatically throws it away, so you always have the right powders for your job. The 3 different types of powders are utilized in different aspects of the process. So the fine is used to keying the wheel, or basically a light sanding. The medium is used to remove the existing clear coat from the wheel but keep the color intact. And the coarse is used to basically remove all of the different layers of paint. So the clear coat, the color and the primer to go down to bare metal. The machine itself is really compact. That means that it can be utilized in various different locations, both in a van setup but also in a static setup. The machine itself also comes with a diagnostic screen, a direct link with some different knowledges. Secondly, you can see with all of the different diagnostics that we have built into the machine, that means that the operator is in full control of the full process, even from start to finish.